Welcome to EK TV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was occurred in Chile. The quake hits Chile today, 8 March 2022, at a very shallow depth. European Mediterranean Seismological Center is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.4, and German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.